I just picked up the new wheels from getting rebuilt. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally decided to get wheels for the R34 and I'm super excited to show you guys. I decided to go with Blitzo 3. I had them custom built to be 18 by 9.5 plus 19 all around. And I know the front looks a little dumb right now, but I ordered camber arms for the front just to dial in the fitment a little bit better, and they should be arriving Saturday. But pretty much, I'm really happy with the look. I feel like it's very era corrected for the R34, and I hope you guys like it. But let me know in the comments what wheels you guys would have gotten for the car. Would you have gotten the same wheels or something else?